Hello friends, welcome back. Now let's look at filtering data. Now when we look at filtering, we know that it helps to view only selective data and hide unwanted and unnecessary data in reports and focus on specific aspects of data. Okay, so if you go to the same section under sort and filter, you will now select filter instead of sort, right? So once you select the filter, what happens is you will get these small arrows to your data. Okay, we'll see that actually uh, in the sheet. So once you get these small arrows, you will find a lot of options that you can work with. Okay, so let's check that one. So we have this particular data here, and now let's say we want to just filter it. So go ahead and select the data and click on sort and filter, and this time select the filter option. Now once you do that, as I mentioned, there will be small arrows here for the headers, and when you click on the arrow here, you will find something called as select all, which has already selected all the data. So if you just click on that, it will deselect all the data. And suppose you want to look at Bangalore or Chennai and Delhi only, then you can select only those three cities and click OK. Now here you see now the data is only pertaining to Bangalore, Chennai or Delhi. That's what I mean by only looking at the specific data. Now if you want to just go back and select all the data, again click here and click on select all. That's it. Now for the rainfall, actually if you go here, you can find something called as number filter, and in number filter again you will have a lot of options here. Let's say in number filter I'm saying I want rainfall which is less than, and give a value here, let's say 25. Okay, so which means wherever there is the less than 25 of rainfall, only that data will be selected like this. So we have only Chennai and Delhi because rainfall there is only 12, right? So if you want to go back, you can go to number filter and click, sorry, you can go to select all actually, and once you do that, you will find all the data back again, right? So you can actually practice this and see how filter works. In the next video, we'll see some more examples with sorting and filtering. Thank you.